If you won't smile, if you won't be nice, if you won't hug your friends, if you won't be a gentle and nice and loving and kind person, you will not gonna bring redemption to the world. Talmidei Chachamim, real wise scholars, marbim shalom ba'olam, they're increasing the level of peace in the world. If you're not making peace, if you're creating arguments as a person, check yourself as a person in the gas station, in the grocery store, with your parents, with your friends, in your house, in your community, in your synagogue. Who are you? Are you making peace? Are you bringing redemption? Are you bringing salvation? When you're cooking, when you're talking, when you're wearing your outfit, when you're going to the mikveh, when you put on your sneakers and go jogging, who are you? That's what you need to check all of the time. Your fingers should check your own pulse. Who are you? Who am I? Who am I when I'm learning? Who am I when I'm teaching? Who am I when I'm thinking? Who am I when I'm praying? Who am I when I'm singing Zmiot Shabbat? Who am I when I'm dancing in the Breslev Shul? Why am I dancing in that Breslev Shul? Why am I dancing? Am I dancing for my friends to like me? Am I dancing because I'm too scared to deal with my fears and I now found that outlet, the Breslev Shul, and here I'm gonna dance, and here I'm not gonna feel anymore, and here I won't be scared anymore, and here I'm surrounded with young people and it's great. So you're off track. You're not in the right place. Mentally, inside of yourself, you're not in a good place. If you're running away from dealing your own fears, your own darkness, you're in the wrong place in your life. And you can be in the most holiest, the most famous synagogue in the world, in the most beautiful community. If you are not representing good, if you are not good, you check yourself. Am I good? Am I nice? Am I kind? Do I love? Do I care about my friend? Do I care? Really, where is my heart now? What am I doing? Am I fulfilling my obligation to the Creator of the universe? Or I'm just following the rules? I'm just part of the community. I'm doing what that everyone else are doing. If you're not representing the Creator, if you're not asking yourself what the Creator wants from me, what is my mission, and then trying to go all the way with it, with no fear, as long as we let our fears control our lives, we don't have faith in the Creator. To have faith in the Creator, it's to have faith in someone that is above nature. If you don't count on Hashem, if your faith doesn't bring you to happiness, to satisfaction from life, to feel good about yourself, to know that you're marching towards Zion, that you're going to conquer, your goal is divine, that you're going to win, that Hashem is with you, He's protecting you, defending you. If you're not strong, where are you? It means that Hashem is not with you. If you would check yourself and you would find yourself innocent and good and righteous and kind and nice, you would feel the inner confidence that Hashem is with you.
My name is RDMC with the Emunah Project. All the nations with me. Close your eyes, just breathe, see the truth. Don't chase the fake world, don't buy the fake news. Be yourself, your own true self. Don't let no one take our natural wealth. See the good, no fear, no despair. Cherish who that you are and share.
Source of power from an endless spring. Light of courage in yourself, yes.
They can kick you down to the ground. Hold yourself up till you are, put up your crown. King of the Creator, holy soul inside. Focus